Okay, I've got my SBB buzzing about this. I don't know why, it's a cheap Chinese tool, but let's see if this one is any good. So I'm in an Honda CR-V. It does have it on it, I know that for a fact. Let's have a look. This is really sensitive, this is, it keeps locking itself. Right. So F1 to continue. Password saved. Escape. Aha, Immobilizer. Remote controls, pin code service. Setup. Enable flags. Honda. I don't know what all that's about. But anyway, immobilize it. So Honda CR-V 02 to 06, which is what I've got. Turn the key in the ignition. Turn your windscreen wipers off. Enter. Oh, ECU not found. Try it again. CR-V. I've been told that if you leave the ignition on, it can connect. 02 to 06. No, it's ECU not found. Now I come to the conclusion that these Chinese things. Let me just try Honda USA. I know this ain't going to work because they've got different transponders in. The USA Honda CR-V has got a 13, ID 13, this has got an ID 48, so. But you never know. No. Right, let's go back out. Honda, let's try the Accord, same years. Bit longer. No. I mean, even if it did, I don't think I'd dare do it just in case. You know what I mean? They've all got different codings and pre-codings, so if you use a different car, you could end up in the worst mess. Let's just try the Civic. Nah. Alright, well, I was well excited, a bit disappointed now, but I'll try it on a different car. Well, I've done some study and it said you can unpull them and unplug them and turn the keys on and off, and it must be your fault if it ain't connecting, but I've tried everything. I've tried all the Hondas, I've tried everything, and it still ain't working. This does not connect to the CR-V. Now it could be possible that it's something to do with my ECU or OBD connector. I don't think so, but there you go. I've tried everything on this one anyway. I'll try a different car. Right, here we go. Citroen C3. State of the art girls car. OBD's plugged in. F1 to continue. Battery level's good. Immobilizer. I mean, it could be that these are more set up for American cars. Thinking about it, but I don't know what SB means or SV, but I think can stands for CAN buzz. So I'll need this one, the 06 to 17 with the CAN buzz. Right, I've got the key ready. Use cable, ABD, got it. Insert key. Okay, keys on. Please wait. Oh. Shut all doors and the baggage car. And turn the ignition off. Press any key. Oh, we're in. Wow, it works. Program new keys, which I don't want to do because I don't want to wreck it. Number of keys in memory. 2 keys are in the memory. IMO ID reading. And that's all I'm going to do. So it looks like you can program new keys on this. Wow, it works on one at least. So yeah, if it works on one, it's worth 50 quid. I mean, if you could do these Citroen C3 keys at £25 each, I mean, it'd be hard to find custom just for one car, but it does show you that this works. So yeah, I'm happy. I mean, I wouldn't be buying this if you just own one car and you're expecting it to work on your car, because it's going to be like 50-50. Maybe better, I don't know, might be better odds, but the odds that it's going to work on your particular model and your particular car are low. But I've used it on 2 cars now and it's 50-50 with me, so right. Might as well go through the menus while we're in here. So it says basic and CAN there, so I think that's just basic wiring and CAN bus system. Might be wrong, they might be Canada. Citroens. So it's got a lot of America and South America. I mean, it might be they just copied the software from SBB directly, and you need all sorts of connections and modules to do everything, which obviously you can't ever get. So basically, if you're a locksmith, or you're going to do a lot of these cars, or you own a lot of cars, or you got a lot of friends with cars, it's probably worth having one, because every now and again you're going to hit one, and once you hit one, you can make money out of that one. But you're going to be disappointed when it doesn't. I'm a bit gutted it didn't do my Honda, but there you go. So I've got to keep looking for a better tool, but I will keep this, because the better tools seem to have these tokens, and if you use the tokens you have to pay for more. So every Citroen C3 you do, you're getting a free cash in the back pocket job. So there you go, good tool. Feels good in the hand as well, feels nice to use. I will be trying more cars later on in the week. Okay, so I've just uploaded the CD, the software on the CD for the SBB. I found all this stuff. So you got Honda Europa. You got a Word file and a PDF file, but they're both the same thing anyway. You click on it, they both contain the same information. I haven't gone through all of them. get like a package. I mean, I'm looking at this Honda one because Honda didn't work obviously on mine. Actually, they are different. PIN code not required. So it says you just need the box and the standard cable. So there's a lot of good information in the CD, but the piece I was worried about was I just can't find it now. Yeah, sorry, there's two sets of files. There's them ones there, which are just like I showed you directions of how to use. And if you go into this one, H Nevita Marche, I don't know what that means. Go down to Honda. And then tells you here, new make Honda. To enable new make, use the special form to apply for the password to access Honda. When you have the PSW, which I would imagine is password, select settings, enable Honda, and then enter the password. So it doesn't tell you a password. There's a code there though, but I might try and put that code in. Worth a try anyway. Anyway, I just thought I'd show you that. And the other thing you get, which ain't very interesting, is this Windows transfer thing. I've never seen that device for sale, but that's the one similar to what I've got. You select it. I think it's for doing updates, but that's the real machine, isn't it? So not much use that stuff. Update machine, contents. Yeah, nothing else interesting in there anyway.